Hi dear student, myself Saili. I am your attentive teacher. How are you all? I hope you are fine at home. Stay home, don't go anywhere. Helping out your parents in household work. Do more creative work daily. It's good for you. So student, you may have ever gone to fort. Yes, many forts are there in near Pune, like Sinhagad. Okay. What did you see there? Yes, you may have seen huge door or entrance. So many steps are there, but many years ago there were no steps. People have to climb the fort. Yes. So today we are going to draw fort drawing. So let's start. First, I am going to draw border. Student, draw border, then write here topic name, fort drawing, write here date must be there. Okay, so let's start. I am using sketch pen for drawing. You have to use pencil. After that you can draw or border with sketch pen. Okay. Here I am going to draw you can add your ideas, creativity and do more creative. We are going to draw a huge door or entrance like this. We are going to draw steps. We are going to draw curve like this. Here we are going to draw flag, and here we are going to draw some grass. For coloring I am using oil pastel. You can use any color like this. Okay, our drawing is completed. Now I am going to color it. For coloring I am using purple shades, again white color. These purple shades, dark purple, light purple, grey rose and white. If you want to color, if you want to change, then you can change color. Okay, let's start. Here also we are going to do dark middle and light shade. For that, or you can use black and grey combination also. It looks good also. like this we have to do. Here first I am going to give some purple. We have to do very lightly. Don't let color go out of the shape. Patience and concentration is very important. When I upload this video on YouTube, you have to give comment, that is your attendance. So give comment, and in that comment you have to mention standard and division also. Okay, I'm using middle shade. Like this, and again grey roots. We are going to do dark color at the border and merge it to middle color. You have to do very properly. You can add your ideas, creativity, and do more creative this drawing. Here we are not going to merge color. For this portion, for these three portion, I am going to use brown shade. For the door, I am using this three shade, which is dark brown, light brown, and ochre color. For grass, I am using light green and dark green. Here also some trees. For stairs, I am going to use grey shades, dark grey and light grey. If you don't have dark grey or light grey, you can use black and white color also. Students, don't forget to give comment and watch full video. I hope you all are enjoying drawing period. For flag, we are going to use orange color. And for stick, we are going to use brown. Okay. For sky, we are going to use sky blue and dark blue. You can use for merging, you can use tissue, cotton. Like this way. Here our drawing is ready. Student, as you can see, because of this slanting and standing line like this, the steps looking realistic. So you have to do like this, and here is the because of this curved line and dark and light effect. This dark line. Because of this, you can see this depth and emboss effect. So you have to do like this while drawing. Make a collage of your drawings. Make a collage of all your drawings with your photographs and send it to my email ID. My email ID is pisjc567art@gmail.com. Okay, bye students.